Hi guys, it's Adrian from the NER team, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily extract information from your text with the NER feature CNER, or Custom Name Entity Recognition. So let's dive into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the NER platform. If you don't have an account, you can create a free one with the link in the description. And we can search for Custom Entity Extraction, also known as custom name entity recognition. And below that code, you can find different inputs. The first input will be for the text you want to be analyzed, and the second one will be for the entities you want to extract from the text just above. For this example, I will take OpenAI as provider, and for the text, I will pick the product description of a headphone. I will just paste it here, so there is different information about the product. And from this text, I want to extract the weight of the product. I want also to extract the item model. And I want also to extract the rating of the product. I can launch it. And after a few seconds, I will have different information about my products. So I'm checking, and it's the right information. I will also have the opportunity to add some example, but I will explain it just later. So what we'll do is to copy this code, and we will replace it in Python to make the call in Python. So I will go to my main.py file. I'll paste my my code. The entities I want to extract is the same, is weight, item model, and also the rating. And I can add the text, so the text is the same as here. I will just add 3 quotes. I might have one, and I just formatted just much clear, and that will be all good. I think if I run this file, I will get the entity, so the weight, the item model, and also the rating. Perfect. But we have a problem, like the rating is not good to be exported, because it's a string, 4.6 out of 5 stars. It's not really easy to make some average about different products. You can manipulate this data. So we will add some example to be much more clear about the entity we want to extract. So we will add another parameter, and this parameter will be example. Here I can add, after that I can add example. An example will be an array, and it will have the same structure as this. So I will copy it and paste it here. Perfect. And now I can replace the text I want to be the example. So my example is another product description. So I will copy it and paste it here. I will just change this to 3 quotes, and here I just want to change it up. Perfect. Now we have our text and the different entities we want to extract. I will remove them all, and I will just say, for example, we want to extract, so to be much clear, we want to keep like the 10 ounces, for example, 10.1, just to remove the string. We will put it as weight. I will copy and paste it for my 3 entities. We'll format it so it will be much more clear. Perfect. And I will also add the item model number, so it will be this one for this product, and will be for item model. And I will also remove all the string from the rating, so remove all of the other stuff. For 0.7 out of 5 star, I will remove the out of 5 star and just keep the rate thing, and it will be for the rating. If I rerun it, yeah, for example, here I've removed the 4.6. I just kept the rating of it, so it worked well. So that will be the end of the video. If you have any question, you can go further by looking at the description, the documentation, sorry. So we can add multiple more things, like we can add multiple providers. We can select the model if there is some model, but there is only one model per provider for this feature. We can also add some stuff, the entities, many other parameters to be more suitable to your project. So as I said, it is the end of this video. If you have any question or any demands of tutorial about NNAI, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Have a nice day.